Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0133, indicates a malfunction or slow response from the air-fuel ratio AF sensor, sensor 1, in the 2012 to 2017 Honda Accord models equipped with the K24W1 engine. This sensor is crucial for measuring the oxygen concentration in the exhaust, providing vital information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM uses this data to compute the air-to-fuel ratio, enabling optimized fuel injection and improved exhaust emissions. If the AF sensor output is deemed to have a slow response characteristic for a defined duration, the PCM records this failure as DTC P0133. The operational characteristics of the AF sensor and the PCM's assessment of its performance can significantly affect engine efficiency and emissions, making timely diagnosis critical to vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding the role of the air-fuel ratio sensor is integral to efficient engine performance and emissions control in the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. DTC P0133 signals an issue that can significantly impact fuel efficiency and emissions, making timely diagnostics essential. The outlined troubleshooting steps must be executed thoroughly to ensure an accurate diagnosis. Engaging in preventive maintenance practices will help mitigate potential sensor failures and contribute to overall vehicle health. Keeping the engine and exhaust systems well maintained is not just beneficial for the vehicle, but also for reducing environmental impact. In summary, a proactive approach to monitoring and addressing these concerns will enhance vehicle longevity. DTC P0133 highlights an issue with the air-fuel ratio sensor, sensor 1, which is responsible for measuring oxygen concentration in the engine's exhaust. This sensor has a linear output that correlates with the oxygen levels, enabling the PCM to adjust fuel delivery for optimal combustion. Sensor 1 is typically located in the exhaust manifold or just downstream of it, making it crucial for real-time monitoring of exhaust conditions. If the sensor's output deviates for a specified duration, indicating slow response times, it leads the PCM to conclude that the sensor may be failing or deteriorating. This malfunction can directly impact fuel efficiency and emissions, necessitating immediate attention. The potential causes for DTC P0133 include a deterioration of the A factor sensor itself, which could lead to incorrect voltage readings and an impaired performance. Wiring issues, such as damaged connectors or frayed wires, can disrupt the signal sent to the PCM, impacting sensor functionality. Additionally, a malfunction within the PCM can create communication breakdowns, erroneously interpreting data received from the sensor. While the provided information focuses on these specific causes, other underlying issues may also exist, such as exhaust system leaks or contamination affecting sensor readings. A thorough inspection is imperative to pinpoint the exact source of the problem. Common symptoms associated with DTC P0133 include the illumination of the check engine light, CEL, on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a problem within the engine management system. There may also be noticeable drops in fuel economy, as the engine may not be running efficiently due to improper fuel mixture adjustments. Furthermore, increased emissions can result from incorrect air-fuel ratios, leading the vehicle to fail emissions testing. Additionally, the engine performance may feel sluggish or rough during operation due to this malfunction. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent further damage to the vehicle's exhaust and fuel systems. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0133 begins with starting the engine. Once the engine is running, the technician must hold the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without load. This can be done by placing the continuously variable transmission, CVT, in park or neutral, or putting a manual transmission into neutral. It is important to hold the specified RPM level until the radiator fan activates, indicating stable operating conditions. Subsequently, the engine should be allowed to idle. This step initializes the system checks and ensures that the AF sensor is in a state of operation conducive for further testing. In the second troubleshooting step, the vehicle must be driven at a steady speed of 25 miles per hour, mph, or less for a minimum of 5 minutes. Driving behavior during this step is critical. Maintaining a consistent speed ensures that the engine and its sensors achieve the necessary conditions for the PCM to effectively evaluate their performance. This also allows the A-filter F sensor to assess oxygen levels in a controlled manner. It is paramount that this step is executed under safe traffic conditions to avoid erratic driving behaviors, ensuring smooth and controlled acceleration and deceleration. For the third troubleshooting step, the technician should accelerate the vehicle to a steady speed of 33 miles per hour or more, while maintaining the engine speed between 1,250 and 3,000 RPM. This should be sustained for at least 8 seconds. This step allows the PCM to comprehensively evaluate the A and FAT sensor under higher engine speeds and loads, providing critical feedback on its operational integrity. Adherence to this step is essential, as the analysis only yields results if performed without excessive load changes during acceleration. A smooth transition into this speed range is necessary to ensure accurate data acquisition from the A and FAT sensor. Final repair verification is crucial after addressing the DTC P0133. It begins by running comprehensive diagnostic tests to confirm that the AF sensor and associated systems are functioning correctly. Following the repairs, checking for any remaining or new DTCs will help ensure that the repair was successful. It's essential to also verify the proper function of the air-fuel ratio sensor to ensure successful readings post-repair. Monitoring exhaust emissions can further provide insights into whether the issue has been resolved effectively. Once the diagnostics pass and emissions are within expected ranges, the repair can be deemed successful. Preventive maintenance is an effective strategy for minimizing the likelihood of DTC P0133 recurrence. Regular checks of the AF sensor can help identify signs of wear or malfunction before they lead to larger issues. In addition, carefully inspecting wiring connections and harnesses for any signs of damage or corrosion ensures signal integrity between the sensor and the PCM. Maintaining a clear exhaust system is equally vital. Obstructions or leaks can lead to incorrect sensor readings. Furthermore, routine engine diagnostics can proactively catch potential issues, ensuring optimal vehicle performance and compliance with emission standards. By adopting these practices, vehicle owners can enhance longevity and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.